Hello friends, I am V. Sagar. I am from Sri Mata Vaishno Devi University and with my teammates Akash Singh, Praveen Anand and Prasun Srivastav. So this is our system, that is we have made a home automation system using IoT, that is Internet of Things. So here you can see a park light in outside the home, and here you can see a fan inside a home, a room light for a room, and we have a Arduino system to control these devices using an Ethernet port. So now I request my teammate Mr. Akash Singh to explain further the system.
Hello friends, we need three things to control anything from the internet. First of all, we need Arduino web server. Here we need Arduino web server and Ethernet shield, which is connected via internet from the smb2.ac.in server, which will provide static IP. Second, we need Chrome, simple browser, our browser Chrome, or you can browse it on Mozilla Firefox. And this is our relay system, or you can say sensors or lights, fan and door. Now you all know that this server needs a unique IP, unique MAC address, and I programmed unique IP, unique MAC address in this Arduino web server. I programmed 172.17.184.22 IP in this Arduino web server. Now, if we trying to browse 172.17.184.22 from our browser, then you can see this page. Now, if we click on room light on button, then room light on, room light off button, then room light off, door on, then door on, door off, then door off, and park light on, fan on, and fan on, fan off, then fan off. Now, how this system works? When we enter this IP in this browser, then this IP request from our internet cloud, where is this Arduino web server located. This internet cloud send request from the smb2.ac.in server, and this smb2.ac server get connected from our Arduino web server, and we can uplink, downlink any information. Now further detail will be demonstrated by our teammate Prasun Srivastav.
Thanks Akash for the opportunity. As Akash and Sagar told you about the mechanism and the overall working of the device, I would tell you some basic in briefs about this device. Firstly, as you know that in this current scenario, everyone is having a cell phone, that's a smartphone. Even you who are watching a video, you would definitely have a smartphone. What I want you to is just open a current scenario in which you are attached to a server, particular that like we are connected in SMVideo. Now what you have to do is just log into the IP address designated to our device. Now what it would be happen is, as soon as you enter the IP, thus as Akash told, the whole opportunity will went to the server. Now what servers do is, there is a DHCP protocol. That DHCP protocol is utilized by the whole server to detect that where is that particular device in which IP is been asked. Now what, as soon as it dedicates that, yeah, that's the IP. So what it does is, it comes to that IP, and on that IP it performs the work. Now as IP is designated to the devices, what happens is the user can easily manipulate the devices from anywhere across the India or anywhere across the world, we can say. That's the main role of Internet of Things. Now I would call upon Mr. Praveen Anand for particular giving the conclusions of our device.
We have this is a small demonstration of our project. Further, we will use the Wi-Fi module to connect our device wirelessly. In the device, we have used Ethernet cable, and we are working on in making this wireless.